Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the romaine lettuce taco in Heartopia. In this latest update, Heartopia has new oven, dreamlike cinematic oven, and then in this oven you can cook any limited food. One of them is romaine lettuce taco like this. And then to cook this food, you need two romaine taco. This one. To get this lettuce, you can just get it from the gardening hobby, and then you also need the salsa sauce that you can buy it from the NPC Massimo, and then you also need the egg like this. And then after the all ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking like this. Just tap on it and then just cook the taco like this. And then next your romaine lettuce taco is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.